Hello everyone, in this video we're going to go over what the Canvas learning management system looks like from the perspective of a student. We're going to review what Canvas looks like, how to log in, how to navigate the website, and some basic functions of the program. Let's begin. First, we're going to go over how to log into Canvas. Using one of the school-provided Chromebooks, a student will simply need to log in with their Bonita Unified Google username and password. Once your student logs into their Chromebook, the Canvas page will show up automatically. If you have any difficulties accessing Canvas or need to access it from another device, simply go to bonita.instructure.com to log in with your Google District account. This page you see here is the Canvas dashboard. Depending on whether your child is an elementary or secondary student, there may be either one or more classes available. Each class card represents a different teacher's classroom. On the top right-hand corner, you will see a to-do list that lets you know of upcoming assignments. Below is the coming up list, which lets you know what assignments or events are scheduled for the following week. And below that is the recent feedback that lets you know about any recent feedback a teacher has given for an assignment. The calendar is one of the most important functions of Canvas. It allows you to keep track of upcoming assignments and note the day they are due. On the right-hand side, you will see the different calendars that are viewable on your master calendar. Every class that you are enrolled in will have a calendar. Students at the secondary level will likely see multiple calendars with multiple colors to indicate the due dates for their various classes. Elementary students will only have to worry about one calendar. When a teacher assigns a due date to an assignment or creates a classroom event, those dates and times will show up on your student's calendar, making it easy for them to keep track of what their work is and when it is due. As you can see here, I have due dates for a class I'm enrolled in on the 26th. If I move my mouse over the assignment and click, I get a preview of the assignment the teacher has created. Next, we're going to go over the inbox. The inbox is where students are able to send and receive messages. This will be used by the teacher to send text, voice, and/or video messages in a safe, controlled system. This will be one of the main methods teachers use to keep in contact with their students. Going back to our dashboard, we're going to be looking at an example of an elementary classroom on Canvas. What you see here is the homepage for a particular classroom. It is important to note that the homepage for a particular classroom will differ from one another's. Just as teachers decorate their classrooms differently from one another, the same goes for their virtual classrooms. Teachers will design their home pages according to the needs of their students. As you can see here, I'm looking at an example of a third grade classroom. If I scroll down, I can see several different options to click that will lead me to different resources. These teachers have made it easy for students with a button that says Students Start Here. On the left-hand side, you will see the different navigation options for your teacher's online classroom. Depending on the grade level of your child, more or fewer options will be available. Expect older students to have more options available to them, such as discussion forums, grades, chat, and others. The most important of these sections will always be modules, as this is where teachers organize all their curriculum and assignments. These teachers have done a wonderful job of creating several buttons on the home screen that give you access to many different resources. Some of these allow you to meet your teachers, give you contact information, some general information on the class, and also a link to the live instruction. No matter where you are in the teacher's classroom, you can always navigate back to the home page by clicking on the home button on the top left-hand corner. Now, let's look further into the classroom. I'm going to scroll down and click where Students Start Here to get started for the day. We can see here that in the classroom, the teachers have provided a weekly schedule. I'm going to go ahead and click the link for the week. We can see here that the teachers have provided multiple buttons for each day of the week, and I'm going to click Wednesday because that is the first day of school. Here, it has taken us to a list of the Wednesday work to be completed. I'm going to start by clicking on the morning work. We can see here that the teacher has given instructions to log on to the live session and provided links for the students to click if they need. To navigate to the next section of work, you simply need to click Next on the bottom right-hand corner. This leads us to the next assignment of the day, where the teacher has provided instructions as well as a video for students to follow along to. In order to get to the next activity for the day, simply scroll all the way to the bottom and hit Next. Once again, we see another assignment for the day. In order to submit this assignment, you need to click Submit on the top right-hand corner. This opens up a text entry box where students can write in their answers and submit their assignment to the teacher. In this section, the teacher is asking the student to follow some instructions in order to complete some daily reading tasks. If we scroll to the bottom, we can once again hit Next to get to the next activity. Here, we see another assignment given by the teacher for the day. Again, we see another activity here for the students to do. And you notice here that there is no button that says Next. This lets us know that this is the last activity for the day. When there is no longer a Next button on the bottom right-hand corner, the work for the day is probably complete. It is always safe at the end of the day to navigate up and click Modules and review all the work for the day. This video should have provided you with a basic understanding of what a student's work will look like on the Canvas system. Thank you for watching.